trouble. Because it's still in school league.
Yeah, but you get Squad League steal for playing Gale too.
Hmm.
Oh, it's double.
Montana Thunderer, Thunderer, fuck. Hmm.
I like when Thunder and Bond.
Okay, seems like Moscow, Stalingrad towards B, Hinden towards B, GB towards A.
Can you specify my location? I have the range mode now.
Let the game start first.
Are both Stalingrads towards B?
Yeah, both Stalingrads. Yeah, both Stalingrads towards B and the Moskva and the Hinden. Hinden towards you are around here. One Stalin here, another one, and one Moskva and Stalin pick from here. Hug the island. GB come towards here.
Rubber, you take the far one, I take the coast.
Alright.
Would need Shumi's help a little bit to push towards A.
I will try.
Mhm.
If the Thunder's out there, I'm going to have to get the cover fairly
Yeah, need to push because there's a Thunderer and a Montana.
I'm gonna get B first.
It would
just
be
because I'm
better if
close.
the Thunder comes towards A, but I doubt they are lemming training.
Lemming.
They're lemming training.
Okay,
Yeah.
so what do we do?
So
GB full speed towards this side, and then cut towards A.
I'll camp behind the island in the middle of A.
Which one here?
Yeah.
Can you lob shots towards all the way here?
I can.
Because I mean, we need someone to get in the cap of A.
I can do that.
That's
As
also-
long as I can keep the sides, then I can keep everything.
Or you can go around. I can hold. I am going towards this side to hold them off.
Yeah, I'm thinking. Yeah. I can't use my side. If I do
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus Christ, Horn.
It
I
would
know
be
what-
better if you take the
Oh,
long
God.
route. My thinking is you take the long route towards here, in case you get blapped.
that's what I'm doing.
Misjudge the range of them.
Wait, the island is blocking my views. Wasn't expecting into lemming train. Fuck, I'm gonna miss on the starting word, I think. God damn it. Missed a good opportunity.
Yeah, you should
Now
pull
the island's
back a little
blocked.
bit, Horn. You shouldn't be the first one out. It's the corner now.
I don't intend to.
Yeah, but you have 30k HP.
Actually, Horn can withstand more HE spam because it's a cruiser duration.
You're
Yeah, but
1/3.
he's like half HP right now.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Oh,
he
wow.
got
Wait.
sitted.
Yeah, switch.
Misjudge the range of the Stalingrad, sorry.
Didn't know that. Okay, double citadel on something. Moscow.
Something.
I shot the Montana actually. Yeah,
Citadel on
something
the
because
prep row.
the Moscow wasn't spotted. I shot at the Montana. That's why it's something. Because I didn't even know the Moscow existed there.
I'm surface spotted, so the Holland
Me
is probably
too.
somewhere here.
Yep.
Double citadel on their Stalin.
The Petro. Oh, Petro damage got my fire.
Why do you suspect the Holland in?
I got surface spotted there.
Towards,
I'm-
yep.
No,
Yeah,
just
yeah.
tell me.
Shooting
Oh,
range.
okay. I'm gonna cut in the middle. GB get the cap and
Another fire
I
on the Petro.
citadel the Stalin. Moscow, can you radar?
I'm gonna cut from here. You just need to hold back for a second.
You got-
Moscow, keep reversing,
you got 30
behind the
seconds.
island.
I'm gonna run my Hydra too, just in case.
Yeah, just keep
I'm
reversing.
almost dead.
Holy shit,
Yeah, I can probably get the Moscow if he pushes.
I'm focusing this Stalin.
Radars on.
And oh, here come the Holland torps. Oh, I'm gonna eat at least one. That's not good. Ow. I might be dead.
Wow. Someone has a 1 or 2 HE to spare to the Moskova.
And Moscow's dead.
Nice. I can get the Stalingrad right now.
Yeah, I got the clear.
Good job.
Nice.
Done.
Find the island again before he torps again. I may not live
Oh,
through
the
another
island
torp
blocked my
attack.
shots. Fuck.
Oh,
No
buggers.
worries. No worries. I have my rear guns.
Oh, now the Thunder is trying for me. I'm in trouble.
I've got them crossfired.
Just focus on killing the Petro.
Yep.
Oh, good job.
Oh. Nice.
Okay, pull back Moscow.
That was
Oh,
a big
no.
hit from me.
Yeah, it was worth it, good job.
Rest in peace.
Show me drop a fighter around here.
I shot too early, I got citadels. 28k from one of the Stalingrads.
It's fine. We got it.
Goodbye, Stalingrad.
Nice shot.
I was about to kill him myself.
Moscow against 4 cruisers.
He was angling against me. What a dumb fuck.
Ah, the Thunder got me.
Yeah, I'm gonna get the Thunder really hard.
2 cruisers against 4, I think that's not too bad.
I'm focusing the Monty.
Yeah, we did pretty good.
Yeah.
Hey,
Where the
Chief,
hell is the
Try to
Monty
camp
aiming?
around here. You have to spam the Thunderer. I'm surface spotted. Oh,
there's the hold on.
It's coming for you, Silent, I think.
yeah. Who else?
And there's a Thunder on your right flank.
I can deal with the Thunder for right now. I hope the Holland made a mistake and ram me.
No, he's attempting for a drive-by torping.
He's too short. He's too close to that.
Ooh. He fucked up the ram, if you wanted to.
Yeah,
Now his secondary.
fucks-
I wanted the ram more than torpedoes.
he got the shit.
Tactical beaching. All good.
Oh, I didn't have a CV, I forgot.
GB's positioning this game was kind of. He practically had to do nothing.
Pretty much, yeah.
Easy steal, easy steal.
No, at the start that they would all lemming train here
Yeah, who would have
and die
thought?
one by one.
I sent him that told him to take the longer in case the Starling takes spot shot and he gets deleted at the start of the match.
Thunderer.
That I mean that could happen. You cannot believe Russian by
Done that.
stuff. Thunder is mine. No one should add him.
Mate,
Boy,
he's
What
spamming.
is in mind?
I've missed you for a long time. Oh, you're gonna
What's
give
he-
me a
what's
good
he
broadside.
Bullshit.
2 minutes.
Oh, never mind.
Clunk.
Did you see the small guns?
Secondary for time.
Did you see the small guns? They were meant for you.
Are you going to ram?
Who knows? He can pen you from the front and from the backwards. Did you just shot AP?
He did.
He did.
Yeah, 6k won't do anything. Who shot? Stop shooting him.
ram.
He's mine. He's mine. No one take him. No one take him. No one take him.
Well done, well done. That was fun.
His ship was exploded in front of me.
Robert.
I managed to just shot one of the turrets and like all 3 shell scored citadels.
That was a good game.
This was hilarious.
That was. The lemming train completely failed.
They kept broadsiding us is the problem.
No, they were so much focused towards angling against you. They didn't expect that GK would be flanking them. They didn't actually realize that someone could cut in the middle and get their broadsides.